Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So here, find the general antiderivative of f of x equals this thing here. This general thing here means, so for example, f of x. Let's say f of x equals 2x. Well, the antiderivative could be x squared plus 7, or it could be x squared minus 5, or it could be x squared plus 11. You're going to get a whole family of these curves here. The whole family here will differentiate to 2x. This general antiderivative means you have to express your answer in such a way that it would encapsulate the whole family. And the way you do that would be to say x squared plus capital C here. So that's what this general thing basically means. You want to express the answer in terms of the general case. So this here will encapsulate the whole family. So this general thing here basically means you've got to stick a capital C in here. Okay. Well, anyway, find the general antiderivative of this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, you're trying to find a function where when you differentiate it, you're trying to find out this function here. When you differentiate it, it will give you this. So start out with this. Try to make your guess. If you guess, hang on, let's guess. Let's try and make a guess. Sine 3x. This is going to be our guess here. When you differentiate sine 3x, you would get 3 cos 3x here, but we want the coefficient to be 1, so adjust it to a third. So this here, hang on, this here would be capital F of x equals a third sine 3x. Okay. And then now for this one here, make a guess. Let's make a guess. Let's start out with a guess of x to the power 5. When you differentiate x to the power 5, it will give you 5x 5x to the power 4. So the power is good. The power 4 is good, but then we need to make the adjustment here. Let's try and make it like this. Hang on, 7 over 5. You see, when you differentiate this here, the two 5s here will cancel out, leaving you. Well, we're going to make the adjustment. So we're going to. This will be our guess here. 7 over 5 x to the power of 5. Okay. When you differentiate this, it will give you this here. Okay. And then for the general case, it will be plus capital C. So this here would be your answer. Okay. Next one here. Okay, so find the antiderivative of this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so look at this here. Start out with your guess. Let's try and guess e to the power of 7x here. When you differentiate this, it will give you 7e 7x. Okay, but then you want a 4 here. So our adjustment will be this. Hang on. So let's adjust this. So what goes in here? We're going to adjust this to something over 7. We want the 4. So this is our adjustment here. So it will be 4 over 7 e to the power of 7x. And now this one here, well, 8. When you differentiate 8x, it will give you 8. So it will be plus 8. And then for a general case, it will be plus C. Okay,